Hello everyone, so today we have x plus 11 in bracket to the power of 2 all equals to 121 and x is the unknown. So let's solve together. Let's seek solution. Yes, we're going to solve this using two methods and I would like for you to stay to the end and see which method is your best. So let's start from method 1. Recall that a plus b to the power of 2 is represented as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2ab. This is in the form of this, so we're going to represent this in this form, where x is a and 11 also is b. And then we have a to the power of 2, which is x to the power of 2 plus 11 to the power of 2 plus 2 times x times 11, everything equals to 121. So if we simplify this very one, we're going to have x to the power of 2 plus 11 to the power of 2 is 11 times 11, which is 121, plus 2 times s times 11, that is 22x. Everything equals to 121. Here we can decide to cancel out 121 from both sides. So what is left is x to the power of 2 plus 22 x equals to 0, and x to the power of 2 also can be written as x times x plus 22x. This is equals to 0, and what is common here is x. If we factor out x, open a bracket, what is left would be x plus what is left here is 22. If we close this bracket, everything is equals to 0. So from here we can say x is equals to 0, or x plus 22 is equals to 0. So x1 here is equals to 0, and from here x will be equals to minus 22. That's x2. And from the second method, our equation is x plus 11 to the power of 2 equals to 121. The first you will do is to take the square root of both sides, that is square root of this, square root of the right hand side. Here, the square and the square root will cancel out. What is left is x plus 11 equals to plus or minus square root of 121. This is also equals to x plus 11 and is equals to plus or minus square root of 121 is 11, which means x can be equals to plus or minus 11 minus 11, so that x1 will be equals to plus 11 minus 11. x1 will be equals to 0. And again from here, x2 will be equals to minus 11 minus 11. And minus 11 minus 11, that is minus 22. x2 again is minus 22. So from the first method and second method, we had s1 equals to 0 and x2 is minus 22. And to verify this, for x equals to 0, from our equation, x plus 11 to the power of 2 is given to be 121. So that's 0 plus 11 to the power of 2. Can this be equals to 121? 0 plus 11, that will be 11 to the power of 2. Can this be equals to 121? And of course, 11 to the power of 2, 11 times 11, that is 121, equals to 121. So it's true for x equals to 0, and for x equals to minus 22. From our equation, x plus 11 to the power of 2 is equals to 121. So that minus 22 plus 11 to the power of 2, can this be equals to 121? So if you do this very well, minus 22 plus 11, that will be minus 11 to the power of 2. Can this give us 121? And minus 11 to the power of 2, the same thing as 121, which is equals to 121. So it's true for the two cases. X equals to 0, X equals to minus 22. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.